So here we are. We started taking down the Rover and all the parts off. Took the windscreen off, the glass. You can see there's quite a significant amount of rot around up here. The bulkhead will probably have to be replaced or completely redone. It was recommended we had it replaced. Took the doors off. Metal frame for the canvas tarp, I took that off. Here's the glass from the wind screen there. Quite a dramatic transformation from just doing this, it being pretty much complete just yesterday. You can see the frame, the rear cross member there has to be replaced. It's about what the whole frame looks like, actually. We'll take the Rover all down to the frame. I'll probably end up replacing the frame with a new galvanized one. That's what I'd like to do. But that costs a lot, so it'll take a little bit of time to get there. A new galvanized frame for 109 is about $4,000 to get a new one. You can buy a nice used vehicle that runs and is registered for about that these days. But most of the parts for Land Rovers, if you can't get them used, try to find them as used as much as possible, because to get the new ones, the new reproduction stuff, is quite expensive. The rear panel was all smashed in. I don't know if it hit a tree or was backed into something, but it was left like that for many years. You can see it rotted that way. Up in there. See what I can do about that. To replace this panel, you have to remove all the rivets here. Take that metal brace off the top and around in here, where the tailgate was mounted. Pull that out, and then you have to re-rivet everything back in to replace that panel. On the bed of this Rover here, where the brackets were mounted underneath to support the bed, it was corroded through the aluminum here, or where anything was bolted down to it. So I'm probably going to have to take it all up the sheet, the whole bed here, all the way around. It's maybe 3 feet by 6 feet. I have to replace that whole thing with a new sheet of aluminum and then rivet it in here.